Kids grow up and that's all they know. Didn't teach him in school, now he's slanging dope. Only thing he knows is how to survive. But will he kill another brother before he dies in the ghetto? You keep one eye open all day long, just hoping and hoping you can pay.
Or what they're doing, but y'all just need to slow down a little bit and just learn to enjoy the music, not try to emulate it.
I drop the beat I have in store.